Good morning, Instagram. So, I don't make a lot of videos where I talk to the camera, and that changes today. I want to introduce myself. I'm Sean Favor, and I've been a fitness professional for well over 10 years, served well over 17,000 hours in various fitness and health related capacities. Hold well over 10 different fitness and health related certifications, from health coaching to movement specialist to certified health education specialist. I like to read and study a lot. I try to do so consistently so that I can always be better. My specialty is in posture as it relates to health and performance, and my method is the Brio Method. It's an Italian word that means vigor, zest, vivacity, confidence, etc. And that's what I want you to have. And so my concepts help guide me through helping other people and helping them understand their own bodies and how to get what they want from them. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to some lessons via video. Have a great day.